Introducing the Disney DCM-1 Classic Mickey Waffle Maker, a culinary masterpiece that seamlessly blends the enchantment of Disney with the artistry of waffle creation. Crafted with precision, this waffle maker boasts a brushed stainless steel exterior that exudes sophistication while ensuring durability. Immerse yourself in the world of Mickey Mouse as you create picture-perfect waffles in the distinct shape of the beloved character himself. Measuring a generous 7 inches in diameter, these waffles not only capture the essence of Mickey's iconic silhouette but also offer a substantial and satisfying treat for your taste buds. The silver finish of the waffle maker adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, transforming the act of waffle making into an experience filled with nostalgia and joy. The attention to detail in replicating Mickey's features is evident, making each waffle not just a breakfast item, but a work of edible art. Designed to cater to Disney enthusiasts and culinary aficionados alike, the Disney DCM-1 Classic Mickey Waffle Maker transcends the boundaries of an ordinary kitchen appliance. It becomes a cherished tool that allows you to craft delightful moments, whether it's a special breakfast for the family or a creative treat for yourself. Indulge in the magic of Disney and culinary craftsmanship with the Disney DCM-1 Classic Mickey Waffle Maker. Elevate your breakfast ritual and infuse it with a touch of whimsy and wonder that only Disney can provide.